Hello friends, let us see another previous year gate question. The number of blows observed in a standard penetration test for a different penetration depths are follows, okay? 0 to 150, 150 to 300, 300 to 450. What is the observed value? What do you think? Shall I add 6 to 8? If you add 14, if you add these two, I'll get 14. If you add again 10 and 6, right? These are only the combination. First of all, whatever the value, if I directly add all of these, how much I'll get? I'm getting it is at 24. Is this the correct option? No. So first we have to recall what is the value of standard penetration test? That is nothing but for a depth of 300 blows. The blows required for 300 penetration. But if you see in the given question, how many penetrations are given? 450 total. So if you recall the theory part, you have to consider the penetration of 300 after neglecting the first 150 penetration. So always you have to neglect the number of blows required for the first 150 penetration. That means if you are dividing this into three different parts, that means first you will apply or you will find the number of blows for first 150. After that, for the second 150, how many blows? 8. After the third 150, how many number of blows required? 10. So if you want to find out the standard value, don't consider the first number of blows required for the first 500. So remaining two, how many number of blows are required? 8 and 10. So if you add these two, how much? 80. So standard penetration test is always considered as a number of blows required for the 300 and by neglecting first 150 number of blows required for the first 150 right? Thank you.